Hello and welcome to USI. Today we will talk about the Bursar's Office and your student bill account. You can think of the Bursar's Office as your billing and payment center. We will go over some useful tools, our policies, how to pay, resources we offer, and more. Let's start by learning about USI's billing portal, TouchNet. TouchNet is an app in MyUSI that allows you to view your account information and perform a variety of financial functions. Through TouchNet, you can create authorized users, sign up for e-refunds, review billing statements, make payments, enroll in payment plans, and elect to receive your tax form 1098-T electronically. We will go through each of these functions more thoroughly. Please be aware that the only way the Bursar's office typically corresponds with students is electronically through TouchNet or by using your USI student email address. It is vital to your time at USI that you are aware of TouchNet and how to make the best use of it. An authorized user is someone you grant access to your account information in TouchNet. You may give them permission to view your 1098-T statement, payment history, and account activity. Authorized users have their own separate login information where they can store their bank account information to make payments toward your bill or enroll in a payment plan. The Bursar's office can only give account-specific information to the student or an authorized user by law. We encourage you to set up an authorized users if someone other than you, such as a parent, guardian, or spouse, will be paying your bill or calling our office for more information. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to create authorized users, please visit our webpage. We must also remind you that while you may add an authorized user, it is the student's account, meaning it is the student's bill. Failure to pay by the established due date will result in a hold that will prohibit you from enrolling in additional classes or subsequent semesters. We highly encourage you to communicate with your authorized user and take responsibility for the bill. Do not assume that the bill has been paid. Check your TouchNet and remind your authorized user of upcoming due dates. Through TouchNet, you may also enroll in e-refunds, which is a direct deposit. In some circumstances, students may receive more financial aid than their billed costs, which will result in a credit balance. Also, in some situations, a student may receive a refund after withdrawing from a class after paying in full. In both scenarios, the Bursar's office would issue the credit balance through a refund. By enrolling in e-refunds, you can be sure to receive your refund fast, conveniently, and securely. While the Bursar's office sends paper checks, this process runs less frequently and could result in the delay of receiving your refund. To enroll, click on the electronic refunds option and enter your bank routing number and checking or savings account number. Refunds are also issued to the student by law unless the credit balance comes from a Parent Plus loan, in which case the parent may receive the refund. All students enrolled in a term will receive a billing statement that itemizes current charges including tuition, fees, housing, and meal plans. If you have completed all necessary requirements for financial aid, you should see the financial aid on your billing statement as authorized aid. If your financial aid does not appear on your billing statement, you may need to accept your financial aid or complete other necessary requirements. The Bursar's office only sends billing statements electronically. This means we will not be mailing you or your authorized users a statement. Therefore, if you are not receiving an email from our office, it is imperative that you view the email in your TouchNet account. Billing statements are sent out the first of each month. You can view the billing statement dates and bill due dates on TouchNet or our webpage. We encourage you to always view your billing statement for the best understanding of your student account. The Bursar's office offers several different methods to pay your bill. We accept cash, checks, money orders, and cashier checks in person. Through TouchNet, you may pay with an electronic check by entering your bank routing number and checking or savings account number. There is no fee for paying with an electronic check. We also accept debit and credit cards online. Please note there is a processing fee when using a debit or credit card. For international students, Flywire is also an option. There is a link to Flywire on our webpage. We are unable to take payments over the phone. Our office offers payment plans through TouchNet each semester. All of our plans are interest-free and there is no fee to enroll. These payment plans are an easy way to divide your bill into more affordable monthly installments and allow you to pay over an extended time. The earlier you enroll, the longer you will have to pay your balance, resulting in lower down payments and installment amounts. Your authorized user can also enroll in a payment plan on your behalf. The payment plan will automatically adjust your charges and credits are applied to your student's account. There is no prepayment penalty, meaning that if you choose to pay an installment on your balance early, your plan and scheduled payments will adjust and you will not be penalized for that. We publish our payment plans on our website so you can see our offerings ahead of time and begin planning. The due dates set in place by our office are firm due dates, meaning the bill must be paid in full, covered in full by financial aid, enrolled in a payment plan on TouchNet, or some combination of these options to cover the bill in total by the established due dates. If you are unable to pay the account or enroll in a payment plan by the due dates, it is imperative that you reach out to our office beforehand. The university does have resources that you may not be aware of as a new student that may be helpful to you. The Bursar's office and all of us here at USI are aware that sometimes things happen that are outside of your control. While we must impress upon you the importance of making sure you always pay your bill on time, there are circumstances where the university may be able to connect students with resources to assist them through their financial distress, such as loss of employment or financial support. The goal of the financial care team is to assist students who find themselves in unexpected financial distress. The university understands the financial pressures that some students and families face. Paying for tuition, fees, books, and related expenses can become a significant burden if life circumstances change unexpectedly. Rather than focusing on their education, students can find themselves distracted by these burdens. The financial care team will thoroughly assess each situation and direct the students to the appropriate resources on campus for assistance with payment options, employment options, housing, personal budgeting skills, or financial resources. USI also has financial planning and mentoring services through the Student Financial Success Center. The SFSC provides peer mentoring and support services to advance financial literacy and wellness among students and their families. The mentors will create an individualized financial plan with you in a series of meetings. If you are struggling with managing your finances, want to learn to create and stick to a budget, or minimize your student loan debt, this service is available for students for free. That is a brief overview of your bill and payment, as well as our policies and payment options. If you have additional questions, we encourage you to browse our webpage at usi.edu/bursar or reach out to us by email at bursar@usi.edu. We are always happy to help our students understand their bill and payment options and connect them with resources when possible. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us with questions. We wish you lots of luck and a happy first semester at USI.